Load your family into the 2020 Subaru Outback. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, front dual-zone air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, lane departure warning, a roof rack, and power windows. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.